Hello there, name's Tom and welcome to Self-Built Campervan. Now yesterday and this morning I finished off of the floor. This video I will be doing 4 light fittings on the ceiling, and I will be installing the 12 volt and USB sockets on the passenger side by the side of the bed. Right, that is where I'm going to fit the socket on the passenger side. What I've done is I've taken the socket apart, and I've just got the plate there which I'm going to screw onto the wall. Now what I've got to do is to mark out on the wall where I'm going to put it. So I think we're going to put it about there. So just with a pencil I'm going to mark out on the black carpet. So that's where I've got to cut out. Not got a hole saw the correct size. I think it's about 32mm. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drill it all out with a drill, and I'm going to just tidy it up with a hacksaw blade, and it's just so I can get these to pass through into the holes, and with the electrics in behind.
On the 1202 program alarm. Roger, understand. Go for landing. 3,000 feet. Eagle Houston after yaw around angle S-band pitch -9er yaw +18. Roger. Have now step off the limb now. Altitude 1600. 1,400 feet, still looking very good. Alarm. picture on the TV.
Right, thanks for watching. That's the 4 light fittings fitted, and the 12 volt socket, the USB sockets, and the voltmeter installed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.